Hi everyone, really excited to go through the new warranty module in Ressio. For this video, I'm going to go through the GCs or contractors portal on this area, the subcontractors or vendors portal right here, and then this over to the right is the homeowners or owners portal in Ressio. In order for a new warranty claim to be created, the project needs to be in the warranty stage under project settings. And now you have the ability to create new claim, and so does your homeowner over here. When the homeowner goes to create a new claim, they can enter a title, a description, and attached files, as well as send messages. That claim will then flow to the general contractor over here, the builder. They can assess these, add checklist items, suggest times, or assign people to this. These assignments can be made to team members, vendors, or multiple people. They can also suggest a time here. So I'll go ahead and suggest a time. In addition to you being able to suggest a time, your subcontractors can as well. When they view a warranty claim that has been sent to them, they're able to suggest a time, and then the homeowner is actually able to accept or decline that time. So right here from the contractor's view, they can also move that around if they'd like, suggest it. And now the homeowner would be able to see that that suggested time is pending and they can accept or reject it. In addition to being able to see the warranty tasks in the warranty section, they also show up in the task manager. This is really powerful because the task manager also brings in schedule items and to-dos, and this is across multiple projects. So if I were to look at my vendor that I had assigned that warranty item, and go to agenda, I can see what's approaching right here. So cabinet door misaligned, and open up that warranty section. So really, really powerful, both from a computer, but also from a mobile device to utilize the task manager to see the warranty items across all jobs, but also have the ability to see to-dos and schedule items on here. Let us know if you have any questions, and we're really excited to see how the warranty module is used. Thanks.